Hey guys, welcome back to DTech. In today's video, I'll be telling you 3 prompt tips and tricks. So let's get started. The first one is a search bar calculator. You can calculate all kinds of calculations and equations here. What about
6 into log 50 whole divided by 4 square into 6 square plus cos square 45 into tan 90 square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided.
Okay, that was way too much, but you can calculate addition, subtraction, multiplication and division for about 3 numbers. Let's try this one. What about 34 plus 8, 9 minus 67? 34 divided by 2 and 34 into 8. Does give efficient results. Let's try off fractions as well. 24% of 400. Good. Let's go on to the next tip. The next one is an image viewer. Did you know that you can use Chrome as an image viewer? Just take an image, drag it and put it in the upper side. You can also do with other images. This is a really cool trick. If you lack photos are built in, then you can use Chrome as an image viewer. Let's move on to the last. And the last one is a TEXTPAD. Just copy this URL and drop it into the search bar. It is a built-in TEXTPAD, which is pretty cool. You can use it also instead of a notepad. You can't save it, but you can take a screenshot. If you can't open your notepad suddenly, then you can open this by just inserting this link. Let's try something. Let's try typing it. It does work. Let's also try some emojis. Oh, emojis also do work. That is a gold built-in. So, these were the 3 Chrome tips and tricks. I hope you liked it.